She's unconscious. We need permission from her next of kin for surgery.
Will she be okay?
Well, not unless we can go in and take a look at her kidneys.
Let me go call her son.
Bogey at 12 o'clock.
What do you got?
I'll get him. Drinking a sea breeze, and you said you like my hat? What hat? Look like Frank Sinatra? Now look, mister, you got me confused with somebody else. I got the hat, man. You nutcase. You made me lose my phone. Well, don't you want the hat?
It's Joseph. Oscar's mother got hit by a bus. She's in bad shape.
You serious?
A doctor called me right from the hospital. They need Oscar to get permission for surgery.
He said he'd be back in half an hour. How long is he staying here anyway?
You got it?
Soy un testigo de Jehová.
Yeah, un momento.
Too bad.
I was gonna come in. Yeah, we'll save you the token. I gotta get to the hospital. My mother's hurt real bad. Oh, yeah? Say hello to Dr. Curtis. They're fighting me. What are you looking at? Huh? Nothing. You looking at that bag? Huh? This belong to you? Maybe. I'll take that as a yes. Mind if I take a look inside? I say no, you're gonna look anyway.
Where's your gun? What gun? The 38 you used to tap Manny early.
Great. Citibank opened up a branch here. Look, that's my money. I want to call my lawyer. Whoa. 38. This yours too?
I'm Marvin Baker, the attorney on Mr. Luriano's drug case.
It's a pleasure.
Want to tell me why homicide detectives are executing bench warrants on drug cases?
They think I shot Manny.
Who's Manny?
Manny Ehrlich, his bail bondsman.
You gonna let him put a body on me?
Shut up, Oscar.
Well, maybe your girlfriend with the big mouth can fill us in.
Why would Oscar kill that man?
He jumped bail. His mother was gonna lose her restaurant.
You got it all wrong. He was going to turn himself in, okay? So his mother wouldn't lose the luncheria.
Playing you, Cosette.
He was going to turn himself in. As soon as he paid the money to his lawyer, Mr. Baker.
What money?
$50,000. We were going to give him half on Saturday. Mr. Baker never showed up.
Come on, Cosette. You don't have 50 grand.
He got half. Call my bank if you don't believe me. Oscar couldn't turn himself in until he got all the money from Mr. Baker.
If he couldn't afford a lawyer, the court would give him one. Free.
He didn't want a free lawyer. We were supposed to get married. Mr. Baker said if he paid the money, he'd make sure Oscar didn't go trial. Mr. Baker was going to fix the case, okay?
They say home is where the Wi-Fi is, not where your phone.
on Saturday morning.
And Liriano was gonna pay it to Baker on Saturday to fix his case.
Well, Liriano had 24,000 in his bag when we picked him up.
Gloves from Erlich's home phone on Saturday, 3 calls to Arvin Baker.
Baker was Ehrlich's late appointment?
Baker didn't show up to collect the money from Liriano on Saturday.
Yeah, maybe he was too busy shooting Ehrlich.
It's a theory. We'll hold Liriano on the warrant while you figure it out.
4 cops with their heads together. Got a murder charge or not?
Not yet, Mr. Baker, but you'll be the first to know.
Arvin Baker? Never heard of him.
The defendant's girlfriend says he was going to make the case go away for 50 grand.
What kind of case?
Drugs, street level hand-to-hand.
I know named counsel that rates a $10,000 fee tops. Maybe just trying to take his client for a ride.
All we know is we got a lot of pieces that don't fit. We got a lawyer and a bail bondsman exchanging phone calls on a Saturday night. Next thing you know, the bondsman's dead.
And the same lawyer squeezed in 50 grand from his client. All got to be connected.
You pin down Baker's whereabouts, I'll see what I can turn up.
He's lived here about a year. Between you and me, the guy's got an attitude.
We're interested in last Saturday night.
That's his girlfriend's urinate right here on the canopy post. Then I gotta hose it down.
Fascinating.
Saturday night, girlfriend comes by with a laugh rat. Mr. Baker's not home. What time is that? He makes it around 9. Of course, my fault. He doesn't leave her a key. She stews for a while in the lobby. Mr. Baker comes in half hour later. The guy's name is Manny Ehrlich. You ever come by? Yeah. Mr. Baker left him an envelope a few times.
These are Baker's criminal cases over the past 2 years.
35, 40 names. Business can't be that bad.
His conviction rates are a lot lower than average.
Maybe all his clients are innocent.
Or he's fixing cases, like Josette said.
Give me the names of Baker's clients who had bonds out with Ehrlich.
Gregory Billups,
Never indicted, charges dismissed.
Geraldine Smithson,
Charges dismissed on a speedy trial motion.
Corey Black,
Charges reduced, probation.
Ehrlich's referrals come with satisfaction guaranteed.
except for Delmore Walton. He's doing 6 to 12 upstate.
Maybe he couldn't meet Baker's price.
I'll ask him.
Nice to be with the smokes. Johnny?
Thanks, I don't. I need to ask you some questions about Arvin Baker.
Why don't you slip off that jacket?
I'm a little chilly.
Yeah, bacon is hot.
I'll think again. Maybe I can find some other way to help you.
Letter to the parole board?
I can do that.
Okay. Now, what can I tell you about my crooked-ass lawyer?
You can tell me why you called me that.
Baker said he's going to sell me a walkaway.
Let me make sure I understand you, Mr. Walton. Arvin Baker offered to fix your case,
Yeah. I paid him $25K.
but you're here.
The man ripped me off. This got anything to do with Manny Ehrlich contacting my brother?
What did he want?
He was asking about my agreement with Baker. Ehrlich's trying to shake him down.
Why do you say that?
Ehrlich told me if I told him what I just told you, he'd get me a refund on that cheap bastard.
Erlich's dead.
My luck.
Hey. Hi.
So where have you been hiding out?
You know the routine, punch in, punch out, get home for Katie.
You should come to Gallagher's on Friday after work. There's someone you should meet.
Give it up, Charlie. How are these new kids?
Great. So who you got in Oscar Liriano?
I'm supervising the investigation.
I had him first in the drug indictment.
It's a close call.
You owe me on the Camacho case. Don't ace me out this time.
I'll do my best. Baker
Baker solicited bribes from his clients. Ehrlich found out and wanted a piece of the action. I'm pretty sure it got him killed, and Baker's the shooter.
Can we do any better than pretty sure?
There's no physical evidence linking Baker to the murder.
What about his criminal cases? Are you only pretty sure that they were fixed?
Baker's results are just too miraculous to draw any other conclusion.
If it's true, you have to have help from somebody on the inside.
At least a dozen ways a defense lawyer can beat a case. Baker used most of them. I checked our database to find a common thread. Judges, cops, ADAs, nothing jumped out.
Might even be a clerk.
Murder is one thing, but corruption in the system, I want names.
Liriano's the first domino. If we can get him to flip on Baker.
Can't go anywhere near Liriano as long as Baker represents him.
I'll find some way to make the dominoes fall.
We could set a trap for Baker. Baker thinks we're investigating Liriano for Ehrlich's murder. If we go ahead and charge Liriano,
You just said that Baker killed Ehrlich.
a prosecution of Liriano would be a ruse. A sting to gather information against Baker and trace the corruption.
Only prosecution.
The feds have used this. We asked the courts to assign a lawyer to represent Liriano behind the scenes, a shadow counsel, and we asked Liriano to play along.
He pays the bribe, we follow the money to Baker's inside connection. Good work, Adam.
Don't convince me, convince the judge.
The Liriano case traces back to Charlie Harmon. I'll bring him in the loop.
No, you ride this case.
If you do anything out of the ordinary, Baker will sniff it out.
Harmon's never handled a homicide.
I'll second chair. I'll fill him in on what we're doing.
No. Till we know who's involved. You keep Mr. Herman in the dark.
The warrant against Mr. Liriano is vacated. This matter was marked ready,
Yes, Judge.
and the defendant is remanded. May 1st.
This one's ours, fellas. You guys again. Oscar Liriano, you're under arrest for the murder of Manny Ehrlich. It's nice and loose this time. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do say can and won't be used against you.
You propose to charge Mr. Liriano, although you know he is innocent, and have me appoint a lawyer to advise him in secret and then go forward with a bogus prosecution without telling the assigned judge.
All subject to Mr. Liriano's approval.
Isn't this going to require the police to fabricate testimony?
If it gets that far,
You will have to dummy up a ballistics report which says Liriano's gun is a probable match for the murder weapon. Adam Schiff must be getting senile. Do you have any precedent for this scheme? It was used in federal court and as People v. Stewart. If you think I am going to sit here holding a live hand grenade, you're very much mistaken.
if it blows up, blame me. Cases are being fixed in this courthouse.
I'll assign David Baez from Hispanic Defense Project as Mr. Liriano's shadow counsel. I just hope the Court of Appeals doesn't have all our heads on a platter.
You people are crazy. Let them finish. You let them finish. Mr. Baker's my lawyer.
Baker can't help you anymore. You want to walk on a drug case, that's what we're offering.
And it won't cost you $50,000.
What is some new way to get framed on a murder rap?
The murder prosecution is phony, Mr. Liriano. They're only doing it to investigate Mr. Baker.
You want to talk to the judge?
Look, suppose I front for you. How long am I in for?
3 months tops.
Or you can do 10 years on your drug case.
Everybody's gonna think I capped the guy.
You can explain it when it's over.
Or you don't explain it.
Yeah. I like that.
Tanya Gross made deputy bureau chief. She was class of '87.
Special projects, a dumping ground for has-beens.
Oh, maybe I'd have an office with a door. And a bunk would be nice. Those of us who care about such things.
I got one of these. Mine's all blue.
Sophie has a virtual pet now.
It's from the man who wouldn't take an exam without his Gumby wristwatch.
Thanks for coming through with McCoy.
It's no big deal. How do you think Baker will counter our ballistics evidence?
Just let him go to trial. Liriano will plead out if Baker can get the gun tossed. It's nice when your first murder's a slam dunk.
Sometimes the ones that look easy bite you in the ass.
Motion to suppress Liriano's gun. Baker's attacking the police search Liriano's gym bag.
Viviano phoned Baker yesterday to ask him about the arrangement. Baker quoted a figure.
How much?
90,000.
He jacked up the price.
2 cases.
Or he got greedier.
I want this on tape. Have Luriano sign a consent to bug the council room at Rikers. Tell him to ask Baker for a face-to-face. We'll need an order from Judge Golden to show corrections. It's imperative that you get Baker to spell out the details. I don't want this coming back looking like a retainer meeting. I'll tell him.
Baker filed his suppression motion.
Gun suppressed. I'll move to get the indictment dismissed. Who's the judge?
Alan Denham. He's presided over 6 of Baker's cases.
Let's keep an eye on him.
So I go tonight. This ain't Macy's, Busk. You have 2 cases now. One of which is for murder. Let me ask you something, Mr. Baker. If I get you this money, how can I be sure you get the results? It's my problem. Papa, it's a lot of money. If it's gonna be a problem, I have a friend. Okay? He'll take care of everything. So we're talking a walk. You'll be out in 2 weeks. Tops. Free and clear. All right. You come out my mother's restaurant.
That's all I